Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad Ardhi Abdurrahman. Here, I want to make a presentation about environmental damage. As we know, our nature is too expensive for our life, and then the nature is impossible be bought with anything. That's the point. The nature can live without human, but human can't live without nature. So we have to keep it. We have to keep our nature. We have to prevent everything which is can make our nature be damaged. So in this time, I want to present to you all about how to keep our nature. Our nature has been damaged with our maybe our government, and maybe for you. I want to explain to you all, and maybe all of us ask, what is environmental damage? What is damage of nature? Okay, environmental damage is something can damage our environment, and it is like erosion of land, or pollution of air, and damage of ecosystem, like it disturbs animal like flora and fauna in the forest, or something disturb our ecosystem. It can be named by environmental damage, and there is two factors of environmental damage or our nature damage. It is the first thing is it caused by nature itself, and secondly is by humans made. That is the cause of environmental damage. It is two factors for me. In 2004, United Kingdom make a decision. What it is? They included the environmental damage, the damage of nature. It is one of 10 something dangerous, and it is against humanity. I think it's something very, very good, because United Kingdom has brave to make it decision, because our environment is not okay now because of humans' action, because of nature itself, and the other. It can make our ecosystem is not balanced. German Alliance Development of Work said that environmental damage is determine the risk of high or low disaster in a region. So we can to understand of this text of this statement that environmental damage is determining of the disaster in a region. It's too dangerous for all of people who live in the world, because if they do not keep their environment, their nature, it can disturb the life of people, all of people in the world. So the first thing that we have to do is to keep our word. Secondly is we should to remember to our around people to keep our word, and if it has been done, the balance in the world will be there. Generally, this damage is caused by the human, as their activities, maybe in industrial or the other, and it be potential damage the environment or disturb the river or disturb land pollution or the air or the water in the river because of company in industrials, like I explained to you all the first time. I think government has important role in preventing of all what I explained to you, because I think government has important position in making decision of preventing how to keep our nation, our country well, and generally how to keep our world, how to keep our people in the world well. The first time is how to keep our nature, how to keep our environment, how to prevent our environmental damage, how to prevent our disaster caused of human. But in reality, the government sometimes they never care, they do not care of all what I explained. They don't care about nature, about something destroyed environment, and they collaborate with the corporation, all of corporate of company. Maybe I will take the example from Kalimantan. Our government make a decision that we say undang-undang omnibus law or laws of omnibus law, and I think that laws is not for the people of Indonesia. It's not for a farmer of Indonesia. It's not for buruh, let's say buruh or helper of Indonesia, but it was made for corporation of a company, and it can make easily how they build their company. Although they use a wrong way to spread the company, their company, and it's and for me it is too bad to our nature, to our environment, and it can disturb and damage our environment and our nature for our generation. And maybe our generation can't to look what we look now, can't to enjoy what we enjoy now, can't to breathe good air because pollution was spread in everything. And the conclusion of this explanation of this presentation is we have to prevent our mistake.